we are looking for another 25 basis point cut. That will actually bring rates down to 0.5% though. So it could be argued about, well, how much more space do they have? But we must remember that they've also undertaken quite a lot of other monetary, accommodative monetary policy moves already. We've seen that they've effectively moved into QE. They've also been reduced rates for those available for SMEs. But we do also see that fiscal policy is going to be a much more important supporter of growth going forward. So we've already got 6.9% of GDP as a fiscal package, and we could very well expect more given the outlook for the Korean economy.
What's your outlook for the Bank of Korea's attitude or stance towards monetary policy, given the expected board shakeup at the end of this month? What is your assessment on that?
Well, I think at the moment they're still going to remain very focused on actually making sure that there's enough liquidity, that banks are still being able to provide some refinancing for corporates that could be coming under financial stress given the environment. So I think that's going to remain the sort of key focus beyond sort of anyone who wants to be more dovish or hawkish, which is unlikely in this current environment, to be honest.
Right, and the BOK said that the economy may fall below earlier projections, including the CPI falling below earlier projection. What's your call on the growth outlook for the South Korean economy? Obviously, it's a difficult one, given that it's very much, hinging on the global economy, China and the U.S.
Yeah, so we're actually expecting that the South Korean economy will fall into recession in the second quarter. In fact, we're looking for a worse outcome in QT, which is hardly surprising given the fact that we have seen that spread of the coronavirus globally, which means that that's going to be severely impacting global demand. There's also going to be some supply disruptions, and that's adding to the simple fact that also you've got very weak consumer spending in South Korea itself. So even though we do expect some rebound in the second half, that will still mean that we're looking at a contraction for the year of -1%.
Hi, I'm Emily Tan, and thanks for watching CNBC. You can check out more of our videos by clicking on the boxes on the screen, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more. Thanks for watching.